Hi, this is Aimee LaJoie. My dad is the inventor of the all-season solar cooker, and despite me enjoying countless solar cooked meals that my dad has prepared over the years, I have never actually used his oven, ever. And now that I'm doing his social media, I figured I should actually learn how to use it. So we're gonna start off real simple today. We're just gonna cook some white rice. So this is Aimee's solar cooking for dummies. So let's make some rice. It's not rocket science here. We're going to start with a cup of basmati rice, a strainer to clean the rice, 2 cups of water, a couple tablespoons of butter because butter is life, dark pot with a lid, and an oven bag. If you buy one of our cookers, we include an oven bag with it. These are reusable. Okay, it's about 11:30 in the morning. Got the rice, got to the oven. All the ovens come with a cooking rack, which helps get the heat underneath. It also comes with these oven bags. I know they're plastic, but this is safe and easy to use, reusable, great for camping. Okay, so we're gonna put our rice in the oven bag. Now I have a little bit of an advantage just because I've seen my dad do this. So we want to create a nice cooking chamber. We're just going to twist the bag, and that helps keep some of the heat in since this oven doesn't come with a lid. Now the next part is going to be making sure that the oven is in perfect focus. This is something called a sun sight that comes with the oven, and basically you want to make sure that there's no shadow where this pin is. So I'm going to put that back on. Okay, we are going to adjust these panels. Here's a close-up of the sun sight. You can see that there's very little shadow. Yet I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to try cooking it for like 30 minutes and check on it, see how that does. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Nope, still got a lot to go. I'm gonna set my timer for another 30 minutes and come back. Of course, they had to do this on a day when there's a heat advisory. It's been an hour total. Let's see how it's cooking now. So the rice is definitely getting a little fluffy, but clearly there's a lot of liquid, and we need all that liquid to be gone. So another 30 minutes. And back again. Okay, here we go. So we've got just a tiny bit of liquid left in. This has been an hour and a half. Yeah, probably just need another like 10-15 minutes to get all that liquid out. Okay, back after another final 15 minutes. Hopefully that's enough. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Liquid is gone. Smells really good. Well, that's the first thing I've ever cooked in a solar oven on my own. Look at my rice. Well, lessons learned. This took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but that's kind of the idea with solar cooking. It is going to be slower than just using a regular stove. It's a hot day today, so it's nice to not use the oven inside and use the power of the sun. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see what we're gonna make next on Aimee's Solar Cooking for Dummies.